What's up, guys? So in the previous lesson, we learned that chitin, cartilages, and bones are the material forms of skeletons. Now, what we're going to do in this lesson is we'll get to know the types of skeletons that living organisms possess. All right, let's do this. So, a skeleton could be hydrostatic. What does hydrostatic mean? A hydrostatic skeleton is a fluid-filled muscular body wall serving as a skeleton. Hydrostatic skeletons are made up of no bones and no cartilages, but fluid, just fluid. Animals with soft bodies like earthworms and sea anemones have muscular body walls that they fill with fluid, which presses against their body walls, enabling them to move about and to give them shape. Okay, let's move on. Now, the next type we're going to talk about is exoskeletons. This is the second type of skeletons. Exo here means outer. So exoskeleton implies an outer or an external skeleton. Arthropods like insects and millipedes, and centipedes and spiders, they all have exoskeletons that are mainly composed of chitin with deposits of calcium carbonate. In some animals, like prawns and crabs, the calcium carbonate deposits make their exoskeletons very hard and heavy. Animals that have exoskeletons are attached to such skeletons by muscles, so the exoskeleton supports the animal and allows it to move about. Animals with exoskeletons do something pretty fascinating. They can actually discard their old exoskeletons and grow bigger while making a brand new exoskeleton. This is a process that's known as molting, and it happens often in the life of an animal with an exoskeleton. It's amazing, right? Cool. Let's move on. Finally, we have endoskeletons. This is the third type of skeletons. Endo means inside. So endoskeletons are internal skeletons, and they are found in vertebrates, like Homo sapiens, like you and I. They're found in cows and rats and chickens. Endoskeletons are made up of bones, which are attached or joined at points called joints. And they are joined by flexible fibers, like ropes, that are called ligaments. Muscles are then attached to the bones via these ligaments. So, the bones of the skeleton work alongside the muscles to make the animals with endoskeletons move. So that's it. Let's do a quick recap. You've learned that skeletons could be hydrostatic, exoskeletons, and endoskeletons. Now, what we're going to do in the next lesson is we'll be looking at the vertebrate skeleton specifically. I'll see you then.